Okay, so now you have your square divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 equal sections. 1, 2. Okay. Then what we're going to do is we want to grab the pen tool, which is right above 1, 2, 3 above the shape tool. The pen tool, we're going to click, make sure it's on pen tool, and we're going to go up here and we're going to click on shape. All right. Then we're going to go ahead and start by, you can start in the middle. Start here. All right. And we are going to go through and make a shape. All right. Once you've made a shape, you're going to go to File and File and okay, sorry about that, guys. The reason I couldn't find what I was looking for was because they changed it in CS6. So I accidentally went ahead and deleted my shape. So I'm going to go ahead and start again. I'm going to click them. And I also changed the fill to red. So I think it's easier than having a black fill. Okay, so then I have my shape, and then I'm going to go to File, and then Place Embedded. It used to just be called Place. And then I'm going to choose my red color. I'm going to start with red. All right, so then I'm going to move my picture up, and I have to make it bigger because it doesn't quite fit here. So I'm going to hold Shift as I drag it so it doesn't get all warped and crazy. And then once I'm happy, I'm going to hit Enter. All right, to make this fit into this shape, you have to go in to Layer and say Create a Clipping Mask. All right, and what it's going to do is going to move that picture right into that shape. So that's my red. All right, so now we're going to go over to the next part, and we're going to put in red, orange. Oh, and I wanted my fill to be red. Okay, and you see how I didn't get quite over to the edge? You want to make sure that you're going all the way to the edge with your shape. And my shape's all wonky, so I'm going to delete it and then try it again. And I really want my fill to be red. If you don't care, you don't have to do red. Okay, so now I have my shape. I'm going to go to Place Embedded. I'm going to find my red, orange. I like this part of it. And then I'm going to hit Enter and then go to Layer and create a clipping mask. Now, if I click the arrow tool, I can move this around a little bit to how I want it to be. Ooh, I kind of like that. I'm going to go with that. Okay, again, I'm going to take a shape, my pen tool, make sure it's on shape. All right. File, Place Embedded. And then this would be orange. Move it over, Shift and enlarge. Enter, Layer, create clipping mask. All right, we're moving right along. You're going to keep doing the same process until you go through all the colors. So the next would be yellow, orange, yellow, yellow, green, green, blue, blue, violet, violet, red, violet.